Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to upload photos, add background images, use stock images or improve visual quality, adding images in GoDaddy Websites Builder is simple and 2026. Once you know where images live and how GoDaddy handles sections, most issues come from blurry uploads, wrong image placement, mobile cropping, or forgetting to publish. So we will avoid all of this. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add images in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, open your website editor. Okay, so go to log into your GoDaddy account, go to websites option. So find your website here and click edit websites. Okay, so you will find or you will have a page like this. Okay, so you must be inside the editor to add or change images. So to add a new image, go to the page where you want the image. Okay, click add section here and choose image image gallery content with image and insert the section. So GoDaddy uses section based images, not free floating images. Okay, so to upload a custom image, click the image placeholder, select change image, click upload and choose an image from your computer. After that, to simply tap save. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.